In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on billable time in QuickBooks Online so you can track billable hours for employees and contractors. If you bill clients for time, enabling this setting will help you capture those hours directly on timesheets and make them available when you create invoices. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. For this change, you'll typically need admin access or permission to manage company settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear-shaped settings icon. This is the hub for your account preferences. Click the settings icon, then select Time from the menu. This opens the Time Preferences area where QuickBooks controls how timesheets behave. In the Timesheet section, find the option labeled Allow Time to be Billable. This switch determines whether time entries can be flagged as billable to a customer or project. Turn Allow Time to be Billable to on. When it's on, QuickBooks adds a billable checkbox to your time entries so you can mark which hours should flow to a customer invoice. This is especially helpful if your team logs time daily and you want a simple way to pull approved hours into billing later. If you're prompted to save, click Save to apply the change. Some accounts update automatically, but it's always a good habit to confirm and save. After saving, a quick refresh can help the new setting take effect across open tabs. A few tips as you work with this setting. First, make sure your team members know which time should be billable versus non-billable, so your reports stay accurate. Second, consider creating a simple naming convention for customers or projects to avoid confusion when selecting where those billable hours should go. Finally, if someone can't see the billable checkbox after you turn this on, they may need access to track time, or their browser may be caching an older view. Signing out and back in often resolves it. From here, every new time entry can include a customer or project and a billable flag. When you or your team submit hours, those billable entries will be easy to find later on your invoices and in time reports. If you manage contractors, this keeps your costs separate while still letting you bill clients accurately. That's all there is to it. You've turned on billable time in QuickBooks Online, and you're ready to capture hours that can be invoiced to your clients directly from timesheets. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.